So, welcome back, YouTubers, Introduction to Java people. Phase one of this project really has to do with creating a stock, right? And we went ahead and we went beyond that. We really created a stock market because we knew we would have to do that at some point. So we just went ahead and made the capability to make 6,000 stocks. We just said, why not? Let's do it. But it's a really good example of how the for loop works, and then how to use it, and then how to use the enhanced for loop as well. So we had some good examples of that. And then, of course, we have the stock. So we actually create 6,000 of these stocks. And we configure a new stock each time we make a new stock. So in order to use 6,000 stocks, we actually need to make 6,000 new stocks. And every time we make a new stock, we run the constructor, and new things happen. We've also created a buyer who has a budget, a name, and a portfolio. The portfolio advances this idea of the array list. And that's what we got into in depth last time, where we add a random number of stock to that portfolio. So we want some random number between 0 and 25 stocks ideally. And then every time we buy a new stock, we kind of debit the budget. We take away from the budget of that buyer. And then every time we actually buy a clump of stocks, we create a transaction. And so I want to go a little bit in depth. So what we're doing, the project simulates the activity of a single buyer who enters a marketplace and buys enough stocks to craft a portfolio. And so just getting back to our Java, so just keep these kind of things in mind because your solution needs to demonstrate these things. And I think YouTube is a great gift to programming, instruction, because it really allows me to say stuff and teach